welcome back to my channel. My name is Charmaine and we are doing this bold bluish green purple eyeshadow look today using this Rude Cosmetics Cat Girl Chronicles palette. I'm going to show you the inside before we go ahead and get into the video. So this is what the inside of the palette looks, and if you want to see how I came up with this look, make sure you stay tuned. So the first color I am going to go in with is this deep blue color here, which is called Okiyakusama. Okay, I don't know what that means, but we're gonna go into that. And the mirror in here is small, so this is the mirror, looks like just a little cat, so I'm not gonna use that mirror. And I hardly ever use the mirrors in the eyeshadow palettes. I'm just gonna use my mirror right here. And of course the one in back there. So I'm stamping this one on first, building this up into this outer crease area. It's a very pretty blue, and Rude Cosmetics is very affordable. You can either get them on their website, or you can find Rude Cosmetics also in like a TJ Maxx or Marshalls. Okay, the blue blends out pretty nicely, but I do want it to be deeper, so I'm going to just keep building it up until it is what I'm looking for. And of course, I'm still going to probably have to go back into the blue once I start adding the other colors, so I'm not going to worry too much about it right now. And what I do to one eye, I got to do to the other eye before I move on. We have the deep blue on. Now we're going to go into Shippo, which is this. It's kind of like burgundy, but more like burgundy brown. So we're going to take that, and I'm actually going to blend that on the outer corner. All right, so let's go ahead and go back into Okeyakasuma or Okeyakasama to get that deep blue. And I'm just gonna stamp it right here. I'm not going to blend it out. Stamp it back where it was on the crease and out, like outer corner, like that. And now we are going to take, let's see, this Kurosama shade. I want to put it, I think I want to do, let me get a brush. Okay, so let's take Nyan or Neon. I think it's Nyan. And we're going to place that. All right, and to make sure that that blends in with the deeper blue, we need to get the brush we used for the deeper blue and just dip into it and blend, just kind of lightly feathering it where they meet there, so that you don't wipe away Nyan or blend out the deep blue. Okay, at the summer. Okay, we're just gonna keep making sure the blue is back and not going anywhere. Now we're gonna go into Kira, which is this shimmer shade here, and I'm gonna put that over Nyan, and I want to wet the brush. Okay, and I'm pulling it out into the deeper blue and bringing it a little forward, but leaving the inner eyelid blank. All right, I'm gonna clean my brush off before, because I like the way this brush is working, and I want to use it for the next shade, which is also a shimmer shade. So I just have a wet wipe here that I'm wiping it off on. Now we're gonna go into this color here, which is Ichiban, and we're putting this on our inner corner. Okay, and blending Ichiban back into Kira so that those two blend together. All right, and now that I've blended, so I blended Ichiban going back into Kira. So now I'm just gonna take Kira, and I cleaned off the brush and help blend that into Ichiban, and then blend that back. So it's like blending forward, and then I go and I blend back the colors. Okay, and then we go back into the deep blue and just tap that back on the outer eyelid. And that is the eye look. So now I need to do the rest of my face, and I will come right back. This is the completed look, so I'll let you know what I did. So I went back into the Rude Cosmetics palette, which is the Cat Girl Chronicles, and I took this color, Chahan, and the color Shippo that I used on my eye originally, and I blended that on my lower lash line. I didn't put any liner in my waterline. And then for the inner corner, I used this color here, which is called Yuki. All right, and then let's share the lip combo. So for the lip combo, I used this color Curvy, which is from ColourPop, and this Glam Light Pecan Pie. All right, so that is what is on my lip, and this is how it turned out. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any future videos, and give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. How I've been living without you.